Okay, class, for task one, we are going to be converting a raster-based image into a vector-based image to use for a screen printing design. The first thing we need to do, of course, is open up a new document. Our document size is going to be 12 by 18. Of course, we're working in inches, and our orientation is going to be portrait. All right, so uh, we need to place our image into our document. There are 3 steps in the process of converting this vector-based or this raster-based image into a vector-based image. Step 1 of the process is going to File, Place, and now we need to find the image. I had asked you to download the Yoda image in task 1 before we started, so go find that. Mine is on my desktop, and I'm going to place the image in. So I have the image placed in my document, and now we need to live trace it. Our live trace button is in our options bar. We click that once, and so basically it has looked at the raster-based image and kind of did its best to determine value and contrast based off that image. There are presets that you can choose. For today's purposes, we are just going to do a one color logo. And the last part of this process is to click the expand button. The expand button is what completes the process of converting it into a vector object. And as you can see here, we have all these little vectors that makes up our little buddy Yoda. So once again, it's placing the image, live tracing the image, and then expanding the image. Those are the 3 steps in this process. Now, before you save task 1, we're going to need to size this a bit. We've done this before. Every object has a bounding box. We just go into the corner and click and drag. Don't forget to keep your shift button pressed the entire time so we don't change proportion. And we just want to shrink it down a little bit so that there's going to be some room for us to place, to put some type, okay? When you're done with task 1, please save the file and move on to task 2.